How to create Paylocity account. Let's get started. First off, make sure you have already downloaded Paylocity app on your device. If not, you can head over to the App Store or Play Store, search for the app and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you will find the option of register new user. You have to click on this option. Now go ahead and type in your phone number and then click on send code. Now you will be receiving 5-digit verification code in your phone number that you have just entered. You have to type in that code over here. After you type in the code, click on continue. Now you have to provide these details. First up, type in your full SSN, then confirm your SSN, then type in your date of birth. After you provide these details, click on continue, and in the next page you will need to provide your personal information. And once you provide it, you can click on done, and just with that your account will be created. So this way you can easily create your Paylocity account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.